देखो पिले तुमर मु फास्ट स्टार्ट करी बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट रे तुमर एक्चुअली तो केमिस्ट्री फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री मेन कॉन्सेप्ट फिजिकल ये सब मेन कॉन्सेप्ट गोटे पिलार बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर अच्छी माने माने तार पूरा केमिस्ट्री फंडामेंटल क्लियर कारण आ रिलेटेड सब जाक माने बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट बेस करके तो सब पढ़ो तो मेन हूँ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट बुझल तो तुम एक्चुअली मेन हूँ मोल कॉन्सेप्ट मोल दीटा कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे मोल और ग्रामी इक्विवेलेंट in these two concepts you can solve all types of problems only these two concepts one is mole concept other is gram equivalent concept only these two concepts you can solve all types of problems various types of problems very simple method by very quickly within 1 second you can solve the problems. You see the problem and solve that. Within 30 seconds you can solve by using very easy methods. Okay. So we start mole concept. First we will start what mole concept, and for that you write some problems. तुम जो आस तुम लेख जो पुनः आउे डिस्कसन तुम रिविजन हो जाऊ दैट विल बेटर फॉर यू मतलब ओनली 2 क्लास देन दैट विल कंटिन्यू ओके. इफ यू आर न्यू कमर यू मे राइट न्यू जॉइन यू मे राइट you write calculate the number of molecules are present in 1.6 gram of CH4 1.6 gram of CH4 methane 1.6 gram of what methane. Question number 2 lekho calculate number of atoms gram atoms molecules atoms gram atoms and molecules are present in 11.2 liter of CO2 gas 11.2 liter of CO2 gas at NTP third question lekho calculate the number of electrons are present in a drop of water whose volume is 10 ml volume is what 10 ml. You write another questions. Calculate the total number of calculate the total number of ना क्वेश्चन पर एग्जैक्ट से क्वेश्चन गला तो एटा काटी दो आ टिके लिखो कोन लिखो आउथरे लिखो कैलकुलेट ना काटी दो एटा से टाइप रे गला आउट लिखो look what is the mass of what is the mass of what is the mass of 112 ml of 112 ml of acid gas at NTP 112 ml of acid gas at NTP आउट क्वेश्चन लिखो देखो what is the volume occupied by 2 atoms of zinc 2 atoms of zinc the density of zinc is 6.5 gram per cm cube the density of zinc is 6.5 gram per cm cube gram per cm cube ग्राम पर cm क्यूब ओके आटे मास जिंगर केते 65 हला नोट लिखि दो 65 नेक्स्ट लिखो इफ 10 ml of water 10 ml of water is converted to vapor phase 10 ml of water is converted to what vapor phase assuming the vapor is ideal nature assuming vapor is ideal nature then calculate the volume occupied by this then calculate the volume occupied by this same topic I am just repeating again whole concept okay starting from what I told assuming the vapor is what ideal in nature then calculate the volume of the water vapor calculate the volume of what water vapor then you write another questions 6.023 10 to the power 22 molecules 10 to the power 22 molecules 10 to 22 what molecules of X gas 22 molecules of X gas weigh WAGH weigh 4 grams 4 grams 4 grams calculate the molecular mass of the gas X molecular mass of gas X molecular mass of gas X you write another questions 100 ml of 100 ml of a gas X at NTP is 100 ml of a gas X is X gas is 0.4 gram 0.2 gram calculate the molecular mass of gas X calculate the molecular mass of gas X next question an alloy of iron and zinc. Alloy of iron and zinc. The mass is 10 gram. Mass is 10 gram. 10 gram. That contains 20% iron. Calculate the total number of atoms are present in it. Total number of atoms are present in it. Out 100 ml of 100 ml of HNO3 solution, HNO3 solution, nitric acid. HNO3 solution 20% by volume, 20% by volume. The density of HNO3 is, the density of HNO3 solution is 0.63 gram per ml. 0.63 gram per ml. Calculate the number of molecules are present in it. The number of molecules are present in it. Do it. तुम करो मु तार डिस्कशन करी तुम जो नुआ जन कर करो मु कर दो सेक्शन देखो प्लीज सुनो तुमर जहाँ भी मु आगु कही फास्ट कही तुम जहाँ भी न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करिवो actually by using only two concepts. Only using two concepts. One is the mole concept, other is the equivalent concept. Not only gram, you can also milligram. Equivalent concept. Mole and equivalent concept. By using these two concepts, you can solve all the problems very quickly, very fast. Very fast. Very easy, also very easy also. But approaching will different. Your approaching will different. Only by using only these two concepts. Only you remember only these two concepts. Mole and equivalent. Only these two concepts. Mole and what? Equivalent. By using this, you can solve what? All types of problems. Very quick, very fast. Okay? How? Actually play in basic concept topic, you have only three types of expression mainly three types of expression. What are that? Either in mass or volume or number. Mass, volume, number. Three dot. Mass, volume, number. Only three dot. Mass, volume, number. Whatever expression is given, you first convert to moles. Whatever given, either mass given or volume given or number given, first convert to moles. What is that? Actually, meaning is same, but expression is different. Meaning same, but expression different. How? I have already told you. You just take one packet of chalk. One packet of chalk. One chalk packet chalk. One packet chalk contains 100 chalk. How many chalk? 100 chalk. The mass of a chalk is 1 kg. Mass of chalk is 1 kg. Mass is 1 kg, just 1 kg. Mass is 1 kg. Okay, volume is let 500 cm cube. 500 cm cube. 100 chalk, 1 packet, 1 kg, 500 cm cube. Mass 1 kg. Number 100. Volume 500 cm cube. Okay, this is the thing. He will say, you give me 1 packet of chalk. He will say, you give me 1 packet of chalk. That contain how many chalk? 100 chalk. He will say, you give me 1 kg chalk. That contain how many chalk? 100 chalk. Volume is 500 cm. She will tell, you give me 1 500 cm cube chalk. That contain how many chalk? 100 chalk. What does it mean? Means expression different. He says number. He says mass. He says, she says volume. Only expression different, but meaning is same. Meaning same. That means one packet chalk. 1 packet chalk in term of mass 1 kg. In term of volume 500 cm cube. In term of number 100. This is the main thing. This also in mole concept. Means if we take 1 mole, if we take 1 mole, 1 mole just like 1 packet. I mean, 1 packet chalk, 1 packet pen, 1 packet pen that contain 10 number of packet, 10 pen. Just like one mole means 1 packet. Mole means packet. 1 mole molecule, 1 mole atom, 1 mole electron, 1 mole proton, 1 mole. 1 mole means 1 packet. Packet means mole. I'm going to 1 packet, 1 packet chalk, 1 packet what? Pen, 1 packet pencil, just like that. That contains some number. That has some mass, that has some volume, just like that. 1 mole means what? Packet. 1 mole, you may say 1 mole packet molecule, you may say 1 mole atom, you may say 1 mole something. 1 mole, this equal to how many number? Number equal to 6.023 10 to the power 23 number. Number equal to this. But this is only for gram mole. Only for gram mole. Expression gram. Gram mole, for gram mole number equal to this. Not for kg, not for milligrams. Only for gram. For gram mole number equal to this. Gram mole number equal to this. Not for kg moles. If that is kg mole, you have to convert to gram moles. Millimoles, you convert to gram moles. Then you number equal to this. Otherwise not. Otherwise not. Okay? Number equal to this. This number. This number what? Particles. What is particles? Particles means main particle is what? Main particle is what? Main particle is molecules. Main particle molecules. Main particle molecules. The molecule contains some subparticles. Within molecule that contain what? That has atoms. That contain electron, proton, neutron. Molecules also contain ions. These are the main particles in the molecules. Molecule is the main particle that contain atom, electron, proton, neutron, ions. Subparticles. That is a molecule. 1 mole gram molecule that contain what? This number of molecules. That is a mole. Substance is molecules. Substance is molecules. Okay. Packet number equal to this. Mass expression how much? What is the mass? It's molecular mass. If that is molecule. If that is atom, atomic mass. Molecule, molecular mass, atom, atomic mass. Molecular mass in term of a gram. I told gram moles. So molecular mass in what? Gram. You can get gram moles, otherwise not. For gram mole, number equal to this, not for kg mole, not for what? Millimoles. For what? Gram moles. Okay? The volume equal how much? Volume equal how much? Number, mass, volume. Volume equal how much? Volume equal to 22.4 liter at NTP only for gas. Actually, if expression is volume, actually volume term is not constant. That varies from substance to substance. That depends upon the state condition. That depends upon what condition. If condition will be different, the volume will be different. Mass will not different. Number will be not different. Only what? Volume will be different. If condition will be different. For example, if you say one solid state, if solid converted, liquid converted to gas. You take 10 gram solid, you take just 10 gram solid, 10 gram solid नियो, ताको लिक्विड करो, तापर गैस करो. जो 10 ग्राम सॉलिड टाको हमें लिक्विड करिबा कि गैस करिबा 10 ग्राम और मास टा लिक्विड होला परे मास केता हबो 10 गैस कले मास केता हबो 10 मास चेंज लगी सेम मोल सेम नंबर सेम पर वॉल्यूम solid will melt, volume will expand. Okay, liquid will what? Gas, volume will expand. Volume constant or different? Volume constant or different? Volume is different. So mass no problem, volume is number no problem, but volume is different. Volume is not constant, but volume is constant only for one case. For all. That is, if it is gas and condition is NTP, normal temperature, normal pressure. Only for that case, volume is constant. That equal to this much. For 1 mole. 1 mole gas at NTP volume equal what? This. Not for solid, not for liquid. Condition should be NTP, otherwise not. Condition should be what? NTP, otherwise not. NTP means normal temperature, normal pressure. So what is normal temperature? 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin. Pressure equal what? 180. Only for this condition, this case, volume equal this. This for all. For all, not for solid, for all. Liquid for not all. Only for what? Gas. Gas, condition NTP, volume equal this. So this is number, this is mass, this is what? Volume. Number equal this, you remember. Volume mass equal this, you remember. Volume equal this, you remember. Only 3. Clear? Not clear? Hello? Achha, mu kochi either expression number given or mass given or volume given 3 term. Mind rakho 3 term. Every term you first convert to moles. Whatever term is given, first convert what? Moles. Okay? You write. Just write. If a number is given, mass is given, or volume is given. Whatever is given, number given, mass given, volume given, whatever given. You first convert to moles. Number convert to mole, mass convert to mole, volume convert to moles. Every expression convert. Mind what one thing is you just convert to moles. How? When number is given, just divide by hours number. Convert to moles. Mass is given, divide by what? Molecular mass. If it is gram, mass in gram, you can get gram moles. Kg, kg moles. Milligram, millimoles. whatever mass is given, that mole you can get. Milligram, millimoles, kg, kg moles. Okay? The volume is a gas, condition is NTP, then divided by 20.4. Liter, repeat that is liter, not ml, liter. You quickly get moles, just dividing. Number by Abbott's number, mass by molecular mass, okay? Volume by 20.4. Just divide, just divide. Just divide. Okay? Then mole can convert to again number. Mole can convert to again mass. Mole can convert to again volume. Just multiplying. Just multiplying. Mole convert to number, how? Just multiplying number, Abbott's number. Mole convert to mass by multiplying molecular mass. Mole convert to volume, but just multiplying 20. So one thing just I forgot. Listen. One thing I actually forgot. Okay? One thing forgot. Actually, if I will say one molecule number is what? 1. Molecule number is 1. If I will say 1 gram means mass equal how much? 1 gram. 1 gram mass कितना हो? अरे 5 ग्राम मास कितना हो? 10 ग्राम कितना है? फाइन 1 ग्राम मास कितना है? से 1 नगर अधिक हो. So the mass of 1 gram mass कितना हो? 1. Molecule 1 कितना molecule हो? 1. ला 1 molecule 1 molecule 1 gram नगर different होती है कि दो इक्वल से 1 gram molecules. तामाने what does it means? So the particle पूर्वरु जो दी ग्राम लगी थी वो mass लगी थी वो. So the particle may be atom, electron, proton, neutron, whatever may be. That may be atom, electron, proton, neutron, anything. The purpose of the mass legacy that equivalent to 1 mole. Equivalent to 1 mole. What I told you. If I will say 1 gram molecules, 1 gram molecules. 1 gram molecule, what does it mean? 1 gram molecule, what does it mean? That equal to 1 gram mole. 1 gram mole molecule, 1 gram mole molecules. If I will say 1 milligram molecule, what does it mean? What does it mean? This equal to 1 millimole molecule, millimole molecules. Millimole molecules. Okay? If I will say 1 electron. If I will say 1 gram electrons, what does it mean? 1 gram mole electrons. Clear? Cannot clear? If I will say 1 gram atom means 1 gram mole atom. 1 gram mole atom. Okay? This means this 1 gram mole also equal to 1 gram, not 1 gram, not 1 molecule, 1 gram molecules. 1 gram molecules. Clear? Not clear? 1 gram molecules. Okay? So number convert to mass is mole, mass convert to moles, volume convert to mole. Mole convert to number, mole convert to mass, mole convert to volume. Quick, very quick. Okay? If I will say 100 ml of CO2, 100 ml of CO2, I will ask you that contain how many molecules? how many molecules? This is the question. This is the question. This is given. But question पचार कि तो दबना ना देखी पचार कि किसी हिंट्स दबनी पचार ना कौन मुझे कितना molecule अच्छी कोतरे अच्छी किसी तो दबना किसी ना दबनी किसी कौन देची पचार क्वेश्चन माने से देव पचार देखी पचार ना देखी पचार देखी पचार आगे देखो कौन देची आगे खोज कौन देची तार को देखो कौन पचार जोड़े जिनसे माइंड रखो कौन देची कौन पचार देची molecule ml at ntp sorry molecule पचार and which expression what volume expression what number expression volume expression number volume expression convert to moles gas ntp gas आगे देखियो এটা gas এটা ntp এটা gas এটা ntp টা তাহলে 100 ml molecule what by 22400 just divide এটা ml 22400 what you got moles this you got moles mole convert number just multiplying up number what only divide and multiply 1 second answer divide and multiply okay divide and multiply okay next but if the main particle is what molecules the main is molecule this number of molecules main substance is molecule main is what molecules যদি কোশ্চেন পচারিব যে তার molecule contain how many atom তার molecule contain how many electron কি তার molecule contain how many proton তার molecule contain how many neutron ions main টা molecule ভিতরে সব এক আছে how can you get যদি molecule main হলা তা ভিতরে পচারি atom কেতে আছে তা ভিতরে electron কেতে আছে proton কেতে আছে neutron কেতে আছে ion কেতে আছে how can you get very simple you just count number of electron number of proton number of atoms number of neutron number of ions in that molecule just multiply here you get that what I told mane CH4 molecules এটা atom na molecule ta atom ta molecule এটা atom কোন আছে কার্বন হাইড্রোজেন ইলেকট্রন কি আছে ভিতরে প্রোটন ভিতরে আছে না বাইরে আছে ভিতরে আছে আচ্ছা পচারিবি তার কন্টেন হাউ মেনি অ্যাটমস atom যদি পচারিবি হাউ মেনি অ্যাটমস into 5 how many electron just count how many electrons carbon contain 12 electron carbon 12 electron 12 electron 6 hydrogen 1 into 4 kete 4 yes or no how many electron total 6 plus 4 10 into 10 neutron into proton into 10 neutron into 10 hydrogen no neutrons so neutron only contain carbon how many 6 into 6 okay ता माने molecule you can convert to what molecule can convert to atom electron proton neutron ions just multiply into x number of atom number of electron number of proton number of ions just multiply clear cannot clear same this contain how many gram atom gram electron gram proton जहाँ भी पचारी just multiply into number of atom number of electron number of proton multiply just you can get a gram atom gram electron gram protons clear cannot clear अरे बुझले को मु कहबी जे 1.6 gram CH4 contain how many electrons given you calculate expression gram expression mass first convert to moles how can you convert to moles kete 60 expression, number. How to convert number? You got, this is CH for molecule, CH for minor, CH for molecule. How many electron? Into 10. What is second answer says? Clear or not clear? Okay? Now how many gram electron? How many gram electrons? Gram electron means mole electron. Mole electron means number is not required. Number is not required. Number not required. Gram electron means number not necessary. Clear? Not clear? Only just into 10. Into 10. अब भूलो कि क्यों क्लियर बुझो भूलो कि देखो नेक्स्ट अच्छा अच्छा पहले कहलो मु तुमको कहली मु जदि इफ आई विल से 10 ml water this contain how many molecules expression volume but this is it a gas? Is it a gas? It is a what? Liquid. Mole will how much? By 22400? By 22400? No. Because this is what? Volume. Volume expression and this is a liquid. Only for what? Gas. Condition is NTP. You can apply that. Otherwise not. Otherwise not. Only for what? Only for gas, not for other, not for other. Only for gas. Okay, clear? Then, if the volume of a solid given, volume of a liquid given, then how can I convert to mole? I told you, if you change the state, mass will no change. Number only, no change. Mole only, no change. So what have to do? Means if volume is given, you first convert to mass. You know density equal to what? Mass by volume. The density of solid and liquid will must given. Density given. Volume multiplied with density, you can get mass. But one thing you have to mark for the unit of density. Maximum play 8 देखो check करो density रा unit के check करो नहीं मनो check करो बोलिए answer. If you multiply the density, you first see what is the unit of density. What is the unit of this? आर unit कौन था unit कौन आगे mark करो मतलब भूल वाला answer देखो. Unit must be density if unit is gram per ml, be volume is equal to liter, you multiply that, what will you get? Wrong answer. First volume of liter convert to ml, volume into 1000. You got what? ml. So volume should be ml. Density is gram per ml. So that ml will cancel. You can get what? Gram. By dividing, how to convert gram to moles? Gram to moles by dividing molecular mass. Dividing molecular mass. Which mole? Millimole, kgmole, gram mole. Milligram, millimoles. With this milligram, millimoles. kg moles. Gram moles. To mark this density. पिला छोटो छोटो एरर करंती मो हेटा चेक कर दोछि तुमको जो छोटो छोटो एरर करंती सेटा भी चेक कर दोछि एटा पिला एरर करदे एटा भूल करदे डेंसिटी देखंतीनी मो भूल वाल कर दोछि एटा भूल जाई तो ये छोटो छोटो एरर भी तुम चेक कर दोछि छोटे एरर टा किंतु मैडम मैक्सिमम पिला ओमिट करदंती भूल जाय ओके so now first what will do density volume multiplied with density you get what mass by molecular mass, you get what? Moles. So mole equal to another formula, molecular BD by molecular mass. You can apply for which state? All state. Mass constant to all. So if a gas, you may say, can I apply to gas? Yes. Apply to gas? Yes. Okay. Gas, solid, liquid, for all. You can apply for all. Density will given. Density is given. Okay. So density of a gas, mass of a gas, you can get mole of a gas, mole of solid, mole of a liquid. BD by what? Molecular mass. Another things I had forgot. The gas is there, but condition is not NTP. Condition not NTP. Condition not NTP is given. NTP is not given. So like NTP is mane hochi ki NTP dole ki mane hochi ki bujhna gas hochi kintu NTP nahi. Gas ର volume ଦେଇଛି, different temperature, different pressure ଅଛି. Then how can I convert to moles? You just apply ideal gas equation of what? PV equal to NRT. The condition is what? Not NTP. And only for what? Only for gas. Only for what? Gas. The volume for gas only. So mole equal to, this is mole. This is what? N equal to what? Number of moles. So mole equal to pressure is given, volume is given, by R you know, temperature is given. For the value of R, exactly same thing. You see for the unit of a pressure, for the unit of a volume, for the unit of a temperature. This is in ATM unity. This is liter. If not ATM, convert to ATM. This should be liter. Temperature should be Kelvin scale. Then value of R equal to, I will say later, that equal to what? 0.082 only for liter ATM. Volume should be liter, pressure should be ATM, temperature should be converted to Kelvin scale. Liter ATM, liter into ATM per Kelvin scale, Kelvin moles. Kelvin. Kelvin moles. K moles. And only for what? Only for pressure, gas pressure should be ATM, volume should be liter, temperature should be Kelvin scale. Only for gas. Not for solid, not for liquid case. Okay? For volume, I told you three things. Volume constant is what cases? The volume is gas, a gas volume. Condition is what? NTP. Volume is constant, that equal to what? 20.4. Otherwise, volume is not constant. For gas, if temperature different, pressure is different. First convert to pressure convert to ATM, volume convert to liter, temperature convert to Kelvin scale. You can apply ideal gas equation what? PV equal to NRT. Apply ideal gas equation PV equal to what? NRT. Okay? ना बुझिला निको. Okay? Next things. If I will say 10 grams of copper and zinc, you know atoms of copper, you know atoms of zinc. If I will say, what is the mole of this? 10 gram copper zinc equal to how many moles? How moles of 10 by copper 63.5 plus 65. No. Mole you can find only for what? Single substance. Only for single, not for mix. Mole of only single substance, not for mix substance. Only for single substance, not for what? Mix substance. So in copper zinc mixture, you have to see what is the pure mass of copper or pure mass is how much. Pure mass or pure mass is how much in 10 gram. Pure copper के touch, pure zinc के touch. We require that. Mix जिनसरो mole बाहरी बनाही. Mole only for what? One substance. Mole for only one substance. Not for different substance. Mix substance. Are you clear or not clear? Not for mixed substance. मुझे AB mixture of mole कहता हुआ. No, that is not. That is not. You see what? Pure substance. Okay? As how can get pure? To get pure, you know percentage purity is given. Percentage purity. Percentage purity. How can you get percentage purity? Pure. Now pure mass divided by sample mass into 100. This is sample. This is not pure. This is what? Sample. To get pure mass, you require this. We need this. We need this. It is correct. This given percentage of purity will be given. Percentage daba. Percentage daba. तो प्योर होगा नहीं और हमारा नहीं प्योर प्योर होगा कि नहीं प्योर होगा कि नहीं होगा कि नहीं प्योर फिर कितना हो हाउ कैन गेट प्योर सो प्योर मास इक्वल व्हाट अरे होगा कि नहीं कितना हो सैंपल मास इनटू परसेंटेज बाय 100 सैंपल गिवन परसेंटेज गिवन यू कैन गेट व्हाट प्योर मास you got pure mass mass बोला बना नहीं था molecular what clear बुझलन ना बुझलन को any doubt any doubt so molecular this mass by molecular mass okay this means that how can get moles mole equal to sample mass this is mass of sample this is another formula into percentage purity divided by 100 sorry by molecular mass by molecular mass sorry by this is pure mass this is what pure mass by molecular mass okay acha if mass sample is given if volume sample given if volume sample is given volume sample is given sample of volume is given sample volume given you first find mass sample into density sample of mass density of solution given into density okay mass sample of mass you got sample mass then what is pure mass into percentage by 100 this is pure mass by the molecular mass you got moles you got what moles clear clear so that mole equal to number by number of converted moles by Abbott's number mole convert to mass convert to moles what weight by molecular mass this also equal to gram molecules this also equal to how can volume is given if volume of gas is given condition is NDP then by 20.4 if liter ml by 22400 for liter by 20.4 for ml by 22400 if condition is not NDP PV by 30 only for gas only for gas For solid liquid what? Vd by what? Molecular mass. For sample mass, sample into percentage 100. This is pure mass by molecular mass. By what? Molecular mass. Volume sample into density into percent by 100 by molecular mass. एतिकी मोल्स आ सहित मु किछि त मु मोल जॉइन करी सॉल्यूशन टॉप रे जॉइन करी आ किछि जॉइन करी ता सहित कंप्लीट पार्ट त पाइ जिवो तो कंप्लीट पार्ट पाइ जिवो बर्तन बेति हला तो जहां भी एक्सप्रेशन जी बाय व्हाटएवर एक्सप्रेशन इज गिवन फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट टू मोल्स तो मोल पाइ गेला परे ऑटोमेटिकली आंसर ता पाइ जिवो ऑटोमेटिकली आंसर पाइ जिवो ऑटोमेटिकली आंसर पाइ जिवो भाबे किछि नै अरे क्लियर कि नॉट क्लियर ना बुझले निको नेक्स्ट बुझले ना नेक्स्ट देखो बटन पे देखो आम एतिक यूज करी बर्तमान न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करिया मु कौन कर गोटे दब गोटे पचार है जहाँ भी एक्सप्रेशन दब फास्ट कौन कर फास्ट कर मोल्स मोल कला आंसर नहीं पाइज फटाफट आंसर पाइज आग कर मोल आंसर पाइज फटाफट ताले मोल करमी बतई तुम मोल केन बतई मोल केन बता आंसर कर फटाफट कौन दे कौन पचार देख के जल्दी हो देख मैंने बर्तमान जो प्रोब्लेम अच्छी 10 मिनिट सर 10 मिनट मैक्सिमम 10 मिनिट्स लगे तब लगे जो प्रोब्लेम अच्छी है बर्तमान क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 को कौन दे कौन पचार क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 टा कौन दे मत कह एक्सप्रेशन व्हाट इज गिवन व्हाट एक्सप्रेशन इज गिवन यू से how much mass 1.6 ग्राम कौन नेम इज CH4 सब्सटेंस ना देखियो सब्सटेंस नाटा कौन सब्सटेंस नाटा देखियो CH4 एटा मेन जो सब्सटेंस तार मोल बारिबो चला ताको फास्ट कन्वर्ट मोल्स हाउ कन्वर्ट मोल्स 1.6 by molecular mass मोल्स गला सीधा बड़ा ग्राम कन्वर्ट मोल्स रहुच मोल ग्राम मोल अच्छा पचार कौन देख तब देखो पचार कौन दे कौन पचार कौन फटाफट नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल एटम बुझने को हाउ कैन मॉलिक्यूल्स मॉलिक्यूल व्हिच एक्सप्रेशन नंबर इन डबल्स नंबर दिस नंबर ऑफ व्हाट ए सब्सटेंस एटा कोनटा मॉलिक्यूलटा ए मॉलिक्यूल पे जाबो हला अच्छा पचार कौन एटम पचार हाउ कैन गेट एटम्स कार्बन हाइड्रोजन टोटल एटम काउंट कर दियो कार्बन पचाले into 1 हाइड्रोजन पचाले into 4 टोटल पचाले into 5 टोटल पचाले कार्बन एटम पचार into 1 हाइड्रोजन पचार into 4 टोटल पचार into 4 टोटल पचार into 5 कते चला गोटे सेकंड से आंसर हला क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखो फटाफट कौन पचार नहीं से अच्छे को जो क्वेश्चन जो ना क्वेश्चन है जो देख लो एक्सप्रेशन कौन दे को वॉल्यूम जी 11.2 लीटर 8 NTP पचार ग्राम एटम्स एटम्स ये तो मॉलिक्यूल कारस व्हिच CO2 सब्सटेंस लागो CO2 एटा मेन एटा कोनटा गैसटा एटा चेक करो एनटीपी देइछ देइन एटा चेक करियो सब्सटेंस गैस इन देइछ एनटीपी देइछ अच्छा फास्ट कन्वर्ट टू मोल्स हाउ टू कन्वर्ट टू मोल्स मोल्स पे गेलो एटा व्हिच एक्सप्रेशन नंबर इनटू आवर्स नंबर मोल एटा कौन पेलो CO2 मॉलिक्यूल पेलो ए सब्सटेंस पेलो अब भीतर एटम अछि केतना अछि कोन 3 into 3 हला ताने मॉलिक्यूल पाइलो एटम पे गेलो देन ग्राम आटम एटा ग्राम आटम पूर्व ग्राम लगी एटा माने कौन एटा ग्राम मोल माने नंबर दरकार नहीं ग्राम मोल माने नंबर दरकार नहीं एटा मोलटा ग्राम मोल ग्राम आटम दिस इज ग्राम मोल दिस इज व्हाट ग्राम आटम्स ग्राम मोल के समय एका जिनस अरे क्लियर कि नॉट क्लियर ना बुझलानी को थर्ड फटाफट the 10 ml water electron count but which expression volume 10 ml substance is it a gas liquid for liquid mole not equal to what 10 by 2 to 400 only for what gas condition should be ntp એટલે કોણ liquid ଟା তাহলে কোন করিব আর ডেনসিটি খুঁজিব ওয়াটার ডেনসিটি ইউ নো 1 গ্রাম per ml চল নদী पर मन रखे पड़ेगा केते 1 ग्राम per ml ओके so mole equal to what mole of liquid equal to what vd by molecular mass you remember this formula volume 10 density केते 1 ग्राम per ml ml will cancel 1 ग्राम per ml 10 ग्राम 10 ग्राम how many moles 10 by 8 अरे क्लियर कि नॉट क्लियर नेक्स्ट तापरे सुबिला नहीं उधर एसोड गैस वॉल्यूम कितने 112 ml मास एटा होबरे नहीं को एटा व्हिच एक्सप्रेशन वॉल्यूम you calculate mass फटाफट 112 by 2240 moles mass equal to into molecular mass how much 64 what a second answer says hello next सुन 10 ml water टा जदि वेपर को कन्वर्ट करा जीवो एटा आइडियल गैस हे जीवो एटा आइडियल गैस हे जीवो तार वॉल्यूम टा पचेज के ताओ एनटीपी हला एटा अच्छा एटा कोन कर पे मोल हबरा नहीं को एटा के मोल करा जीवो 10 into 1 by molecular mass moles लिक्विड टा मोल करा जीवो गैस टा मोल करा जीवो वॉल्यूम बाय 20 ये भी मोल है गला ये भी मोल एक सब्सटेंस अछि इक्वल कर दियो एटा मोल करो इक्वलिंग करते आंसर पे गेलो सब इन करो खाली मोल को इक्वलिंग करते आंसर पे गेलो ओके नेक्स्ट देखो 2 atoms of कौन जिंक डेंसिटी इक्वल टू 6.5 ग्राम पर cm क्यूब वॉल्यूम पचार रिप्लाई कला व्हिच एक्सप्रेशन atom 2 atom number expression number how to convert to moles I told you everything convert to moles कौन पाइल मोल्स है अच्छा वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट वॉल्यूम अच्छा हाउ कैन कन्वर्ट वॉल्यूम टू मोल्स वॉल्यूम इनटू डेंसिटी गिवन डिवाइड बाय व्हिच सब्सटेंस एटम बाय एटॉमिक मास केते 65 दिस मोल्स this moles each. Mane it is given, convert to moles. You have to calculate, convert to moles. This convert to mole, this convert to mole, equate. Just equate. Answer. Put answer. मुझे कौन सी बुझाओ तो देखो कौन देइची माइंड रखो मोल करबी पचारची कौन करबी मोल करबी आंसर शेष ओके नेक्स्ट करो
6.023 into 10 to the 22 mole of X gas.
6.023 10 to the what 20 22
Mole of
huh? X gas हाँ
number of molecules X gas. What? From weight 4 grams.
4 grams हवानी एक्सप्रेशन number mass number this convert to moles this convert to moles होगा कि नहीं कहो just equate अरे बुझला ना कहो next question
Sir, 100 ml of gas X is
112 ml अपना 100 ml
100 ml.
100 ml of gas X NTP
Is 0.2 gram.
0.2 gram
Calculate the
Molecular mass.
of gas X.
very simple होगा कि नहीं कहो expression volume convert to mole expression of gram convert to moles अरे बुझला ना कहो कौन नेक्स्ट the 10 gram iron zinc mixture for to get pure mass percentage must given how much percentage
20%.
zinc is given how much
20%.
20% zinc if this is the this must be 80% iron is but ठीक है iron is 20%
Iron mass
ये ला परसेंट कर ये 20 तो हाँ 80% ठीक है तो प्योर जिंक आयरन मास इज हाउ मच 10 into 20/100 you may write directly 0.2 you may write directly 0.2 0.2 by what 56 कौन पाइल कौन पाइल कौन मोल्स पाइल मोल पाइला पर नंबर आटम पचारि आटमटा नंबर के पाइब into hours number you got iron number of atom you can get zinc atom just add you can get total atoms are clear cannot clear बुझले ना को इन करिवो नेक्स्ट
100 ml of HNO3 solution.
100 ml of HNO3 solution 20% by volume density
of HNO3 solution is
0.63 gram per अच्छा whether this can convert to moles or not volume expression given sample volume density is given to get the sample mass pure mass you can get percentage given are yes or no so it is the sample volume to get pure sample mass density to get a pure mass are yes or no no बुझलेन को बुझलेन এটা what is this sample volume to get sample mass density is given, to get pure mass percentage given, formula is what, V into D percentage by 100. You got pure mass, this is pure mass. How to convert moles? By molecular mass. So volume 100, density 0.6, percentage 20 by 100 and 0.2, divided by molecular mass 63.5, sorry 63, molecular mass this. You got, now you got what? Moles. You got moles. Mole convert to number of molecules. Into number into percent. Hello. This is the concept. Actually, बुझने को. तले कौन थे? मुख्य जहाँ भी the expression was first convert to moles. Given convert to moles. You have to calculate convert to moles. Just equate, you can get answer. अरे बुझने को. Only 1 second you can get answer all the answers. By this method, you can solve all the concept of all the types of mole concept problems, numericals. सब जगह आराम से कैलकुलेशन तो तुम करियो ना. तो न्यूमेरिकल मु सब बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट सरीगला परे हैला मु जेती कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ई थेबी दुनिया रे एमिति को प्रॉब्लम नै जो न हो एमिति किसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं जोटा कि यही टाइप न हो फटाफट हम शुण गोटे तुम्हें भी एटा देख तुम्हें भी मेथड जान तुम्हें मेथड जान तुम्हें भी कर गोटे पिला सी कर किंतु मोर अप्रोचिंग हो तुम गोटे सेकेंड के आंसर शेष कारण तुम एग्जाम न्यूमेरिकल करने एत समय तुम पारे नत टाइम न तुम पारे सल्व करने तुम तो सॉल्यूशन कला तुम 10 मिनट लगी 10-15 मिनट लगी 5 मिनट लगी तो प्रॉब्लम करो केते गोटे तुम्हें 45 क्वेश्चन 45 क्वेश्चन 45 मिनिट्स तो 1 मिनिट 1 क्वेश्चन इन द एग्जाम तो 1 मिनिट भितर तो क्वेश्चन पढ़ो ताकू चिंता करिवो ताकू अप्लाई करिवो पुणी कैलकुलेशन करिवो पुणी बुला बुलेबो मार्किंग करिवो सबू काम करने तुमको समय दरकार 1 मिनिट भितर भी कम दरकार तेणु विदिन 1 मिनिट यू शुड सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स जो गोटे मिनिट अधिक एक्सरे करुच तुम प्रोब्लेम तो ठीक है तुम गोटे मिनिट ना पड़ो गोटे मिनिट भर ना पड़ो ताल तुम फास्ट हम ना हम अरे बुझे ना कह तेणु तुम अप्रोचिंग मैंने माइंड रे भर्ती कर कौन आप्लाय कर टाइम पलि भाबू तो टाइम पलि तो टाइम खाई कौन कर टाइम पलि तो अप्रोचिंग तो ठीक अच्छी प्रोसेस ठीक अच्छी प्रैक्टिस फास्ट हो प्रैक्टिस कला फास्ट हो कॉन्सेप्ट ठीक अच्छी खाली प्रैक्टिस फास्ट हो कॉन्सेप्ट मूल भूल अच्छी तो प्रैक्टिस कले भी फास्ट हेनी प्रैक्टिस कले भी फास्ट हेनी जिते प्रैक्टिस कर फास्ट हेनी तेणु आगे कॉन्सेप्ट जो फास्ट हो दरकार कॉन्सेप्ट माने क्लीयर हो दरकार कॉन्सेप्ट जिते क्विक हम एटा कौन जस्ट देखो तो अप्लाई करो आंसर कैलकुलेशन भी आहुरी जो कैलकुलेशन शिखी देखो आंसर यहाँ आंसर हम पकेला माने आंसर हाँ आंसर यहाँ माइल सीधा माइल आंसर एटा हूँ कॉन्सेप्ट आ कि ना कि जिन ये बाट अरे क्लीयर कि नॉट क्लीयर है अप्लाई करो किसी तुम अप्लाई कर देखो तब देखो बढ़िया ब्यूटीफुल प्रोब्लेम तो ये जिनसा तुम तुम कले जापर एमती किसी नहीं तुम कला कर देख न जापर तुम कह तुम कर देख अप्रोच कर अप्लाई कर बुझने कह तो देख हो नहीं है बुझे तो